So, as I was sitting in my car, was reminiscing about my friend Andrew, who passed away suddenly. So, my next few days, I'll probably be sharing memories of Andrew. I don't even know at this point. And I'm sitting in my driveway, so don't worry about me recording and driving. Anyway, we used to always joke that we needed a dash cam when we were out adventuring and having shenanigans. And the stories that would be told if there were a dash cam, we just could be impatient at times, and we could just bust out laughing at times. And sometimes we would laugh so hard that we'd have to pull over because we were in tears. We couldn't see. We were crying from laughing so hard. And fond memories like this are helping me at this time and giving me peace. So, in the event you lose a loved one, hold fast to your memories because they will bring you peace. This is Lisa, your stylist, with a Piece of Me moment. Have a peaceful day.